This is the distributor manifold that I talked about, where I can run 5 lines off of each one of my individual lines off of the header. If you notice, this is a square piece, and the hose is the exact same diameter. You pull this piece out and you get this. This piece right here will fit into the end of this, and then you attach your 1/4 inch drip line or 1/4 inch feed line to this. I wanted to point this out. You just pop this, you just literally pull it out like this, turn it around, shove it back in, and you're ready to be using your system. So if you're running into that problem, that might help you.